So, upon your installation with the Jupyter Notebook, so run nyo siya, ganito. And then, let's start with the new notebook. Click mo siya. And then, as I've said last time the tutorial is dito nyo ilalagay yung mga codes. So, since yung lesson natin is about the object detection, we'll be using the YOLO 5M license plate object detection. This is from the Hugging Face Kiremberg YOLO 5M license plate detector. So, ito yung gagamitin nating model. So, usually kasi, pagdating nyo sa machine learning 1, you will be the one who will create the model. Yan yung part ng machine learning. But since hindi pa naman ito talaga yung machine learning, we'll just have to use an existing machine learning model. So, as I've said, ito yung gagawin natin, yung YOLO 5M license plate. So, how to use? Ito, how to use, install YOLO 5, pip install -u YOLO 5. So, we'll be copying this one. So, you have two options on installing. First is yung exclamation point and then pip install YOLO 5. So, pwede nyo siya i-run ng ganyan, control enter. Pero, ito kasi medyo matagal. So, sa akin, na-install ko na to. So, that's why requirement is already satisfied. Pero sa inyo, when you are using yung ganitong method, medyo matagal siya. And hindi nyo alam kung naglo-loading or what. So, other option is to, dito sa launcher, new launcher, is use the terminal. And then, dito sa terminal, dito nyo siya paste yung pip install -u. So, enter. So, again, at least dito nakikita nyo yung process. So, bahala kayo kung whichever options ang gusto nyo. But either one of those, okay lang. Walang problema yun. Okay, so na-install ko na siya. Punta ako ulit. And then, import YOLO 5. Copy ko na to, lahat. And then, that one. Paste. And then, ito yung default code niya. Ito yung default. So, sabi dito, maglo-load siya ng model. Yung model niya is YOLO 5, load. And then, YOLO 5M license plate. This is already trained model. So, hindi nyo na siya kailangan i-train. Gagamitin nyo na lang siya. And then, ito yung configuration niya, yung parameters. So, nandito lahat yung mga parameters kung paano niya i-detect yung license plate. So, ito naman yung link. Yung link ito ng image niya. Kung nasaan ba yung image. So, technically, yung image dito is from the internet. So, pwede naman kayo mag-copy ng pictures from the internet and then isa-save nyo lang siya dito sa directory nyo. Itong directory nyo to is makikita nyo siya dito sa so yung directory nyo, ito, kung saan nakasave yung Python nyo, let's say, isa-save natin to. Let's save this one. Save. Notebook. This will be license plate detector. Ay. Detector. And then, link. Saan na siya? License plate detector. So, yan na siya. License plate detector. Itong file na to, makikita nyo siya dito sa, punta kayo sa C, local disk C, yung users folder, and then yung username ng gamit nyo sa account, double click, and then ito na siya. So, ako nag-download na ako ng actually dalawang picture from their downloads. Ito siya, Toyota Avanza and then LTO plate number. So, ika-copy ko siya and then ipe-paste ko siya in the same directory as well as yung license plate detector. So, balik tayo dito. So, ang ilalagay ko within the enclosed single quote is the file name. So, LTO underscore plate number dot JPG. Kasi JPEG yung yan. LTO plate number underscore number plate number JPG. So, sabi dito, kunin niya and then yung predictions, yung boxes niya, yung score prediction, and yung category ng prediction. And then, isi-show niya daw within the bounding box yung result. And then, yung result, isa-save niya daw sa results folder. So, ayaw ko naman siyang isave. So, that's why I will be commenting this one. Number sign, comment, save, and then shift, enter. Let's see. So, yun. You see layers. Ito siya. So, this is the output. So, license plate is 0.87%. So, gusto sabi yung gaan is 87% accuracy that this is a plate number. Yeah, that is the output. Change natin from the Toyota Avanza.jpg yung hanap ko from the internet. Toyota Avanza.jpg, save, and then shift enter. So, yeah. From this one, we have 84% probability that this is a plate number. And then, ito naman is 85% probability. So, yun. Yung activity nyo. So, just follow this tutorial and then submit to me the code, yung IPNYNB or Jupyter Notebook file. Submit it to me along with the image na ginamit nyo. At least, 3 image yung gagawin nyo. One, yung first image nyo, you will be using a single, yung isa lang, yung plate number. Second is yung dalawang plate number. Third will be from multiple sources, at least 10 plate numbers on a single photo. So that is the second activity for the object detection. That's all.